Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to go over how to create an email, how to mass schedule, and how to send an email through using your filters already set up and through your hashtags. So first we're going to go and create the email. You want to go to marketing and then your smart campaigns. When you get into your smart campaigns, you want to click on templates. Then we're going to click add an email. Now you always have to name your emails and templates. So this is going to be Memorial Day card. And you always have to give it a subject. This is what shows up when your viewers are looking at it. So I'm going to say Happy Memorial Day. Now you can go right in from here and create the email. However, it's not very fancy and I don't care for it. So I'd like to go to Advanced Editor. And you want to click yes. So right here, there's already a content block. So in there, I want to put dynamic content. You just drag it right on in here. Then you want to click on dynamic content. And this shows you what you can choose to put on there. Well, in here, I want my agent header. That's what I want in there. Okay. Now, my card is a picture. So I want to go back to my rows and drag that over here. I just want the one with one link. Now, I click on this again, and I want to add a picture in here, okay? So now I'm going to browse. Now, I made this image in Canva. So I'm going to go upload and get it out. Sorry, I had to remember where I put it. And of course, it's not showing up. Nothing ever goes right on these recordings. But right, so we're just going to go in Canva. And I will download it again. It's not letting me. Oh. Just give me a minute. I'll re-download it and we will get it in. So let's get back. This should be my downloads. Here we go. And just have to wait for it to show up. And we're going to click on this one, click insert. And we have it in here. Now, I want to put a divider in here. Give it some room. And then I will put in, I want to put in a little bit of a text box here. Now, only thing I'm writing here is I'm going to go to the merge tags, because the only thing I want right here is for it to say my lead name. So I'm going to go to just first name. That's all I want right here. It's just their first name. Then I'm going to go back to another divider and drag it here. Let's see if this worked. And this is my cat Spirit. All right, so I have the little divider there. I actually want these a little bit thicker. So I'm going to go to settings. I can widen everything. Stop it. And click on that for the settings. So I can make it bigger. I didn't make it too much bigger, but you see where I'm going with this. You can make this bigger. Now, since, let me move this around. We have this put together. You don't need to put your signature or anything here, because after you click Add Template, you'll be able to select where it just shows your signature through KV Core. So we're going to click Add Template. Now, there's another thing too, is you can put in some background color. So I'll put a little bit of color in here. It's going to let me, it usually does. Here we go. Sorry. So you just click around till you find some colors that you like. I might keep it here. Let's see. And then I want to change the font color on here. You can't see it. So we're going to change this. I want this to be white. There, that way it'll stand out better against the background. Like I said, you can make this background any color that you want. So then we're going to click Add Template right here. So you want to go back in and find it. So you make sure you're back on the templates. And I'm actually going to search. And here we go. Hold on. Want to click edit. There you go. Now I want to send a test. It's always good to send a test because you want to make sure things are showing up properly. So this is how we test it, especially have links in. If you, and of course the test is not coming through. Let's see. Sometimes KV Core glitches and we can't, here we go. Doesn't always send everything right away. Alright, so this is what is sent out. I actually do not like this header. Let's see why I said it's very important to send a test. And you just have the person's first name, and here's the card. This way you can see how it looks. Okay, so I don't like this one bit. So I'm going to go in. I'm going to just trash that. And get rid of this. Trash it. And I didn't like the background color, so I'm going to change that. There we go. I'm just going to stick it with blue. And I want this font a little bit bigger. Okay. Now, we're going to go back in here and I'm going to send a test. And let's see if it has sent the test. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and just leave it like this for now. So once everything's fine with you, update, close out. Now, there are different ways to send this. One is you want to go to all marketing. This is how you can schedule an email. So in here you want to go to schedule mass emails. Get started. All you do is click schedule email. So you'll show up as a scope. I actually want this to go to all of my contacts. So let's see. I'm going to click contacts matching criteria from a save filter. I'm going to click all contacts. Templates, this is where you want to click on the Memorial Day card. Boom, you have it right here. Now in here you click include your agent's signature. And you need to go up here and schedule. So I don't want this to go out till tomorrow. And I'm going to do it at 9 a.m. Now you can edit in here. I'm going to come back to this and edit a little bit more of how I want it. But for now, we're just going to leave it like this. And click schedule your mass email. Now, another way you can send the emails is to go back to all your contacts. Let's say if you just only want to send them to ones in a filter, you just click on your filter and you want to select all, and then you click mass email them. Okay. I'm going to cancel this out because you just follow the same process. You click the template that you want and the subject line pops up. This is already says include signature. You hit send. Okay. The other way is, hold on. I'm going to get out of here. And I'm going to go to quick actions, click send email. Now, let's say I want to send them, let's see, it won't let me do a filter on here. So this is where you put it into like an individual person. You type in their name. Or you go into your CRM and open up the lead, click send email. It will send an email directly to them. You find the template, subject pops up, and again, your signature is included, and you hit send. And this is it for the email tutorial.